on. Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
It is.
Stand back. He's going to come get it.
Oh my goodness. Where's the fish?
Take it to Dalton. He'll take it off. Dalton, take his fish off, please, while I
But
videotape.
I get the cast do it in. I got worm juice and it feels better.
Oh, good. I got it.
Worm juice.
I can get it.
Fish is right there.
Well, I can't see it, but I'm not leaning over like that Chinese lady did to see it, so I'll take y'all's word on that.
It needs to flop.
Okay, Jackson, get ready.
It's gonna
Hold
flop.
Hold it in your hand, just like Dalton
The
is.
big one. But it's the huge one.
Oh, there goes. Oh.
I thought it was. Oh!
You see that?
They gave it.
Go over there to Paige and let Paige take a picture of you with the fish.
The big one first.
And then you can feed it.
Paige! I got the
Oh,
fish!
you missed it, buddy. You're close.
Are you gonna
Hold on.
throw it?
Jackson, back up.
He's like,
Paige, take a picture.
hold on.
I got it.
You want me to take a picture, Shelby?
Here, Jack.
All right, stand there. Paige is going to get it. Hold it up.
Look at me and
I
smile.
love him tight.
Look up.
Are you gonna throw him in? Throw him.
All right, bud.
Big gator, big gator.
Throw it to
1,
him.
2,
Fall, Jack.
3.
Oh, dude, are you blind?
He told me.
Yep.
Yep.
Where'd he
Yeah,
go?
he's blind.
Yeah,
Right down the water.
Dumb, huh?
Good job, Jack.
Stupid gator.
How many fish is that, Jack?
We both got
Yeah.
2.
2 to 2.
I got 3.
No,
Jack.
no,